Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to comment in Crunchyroll. I wonder why you want to know how to comment in Crunchyroll. Maybe because you have seen a show and you really liked it, so you want to express your experience regarding it by typing a comment on it. Maybe there's something that you didn't like about the show, or maybe you liked it, so you just want to type about it. Or there could be any other reason for you to write a comment in a show on Crunchyroll. So, whatever the reason it could be, in this video, I'll show you how easily you can write a comment on Crunchyroll. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Crunchyroll app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. Once the app get installed, make sure you have created your account on it and you also logged in with your account on your device. Once you're done with all these things, just simply tap on the icon of the Crunchyroll app to open it. Once the app gets open, you will see its interface. This is how the app looks. You could also see the icon of the app at the top and few options at the bottom as well. In middle of the screen, there are multiple shows available that you could watch and enjoy. So if you want to comment on any show like you watched it, you have to say something regarding this show because you liked it really well. You maybe want to appreciate the creators of the show, or maybe you think that should be educated, so you just want to write it about it. So you can do it. First, if you want to comment on it, you have to open a show like this, and then you will see its cover page and other information as well. Now you have to click onto this option, and then you will get here where the show will start. There you will notice we have a lot of option, and here we have this option comment, and along with it the number of comments that are written onto this will appear. So once you get here, you will see all the comments that have been pasted about this show here. So if you also want to write your comment about this show, you could also do it. At the bottom we have this option. You just have to simply tap on it, and then you could write your comment. In comment you can type anything, whatever you feel about that show you can write it. Maybe you can appreciate the show, or maybe if you dislike it you can say about it. If you really liked it, you could thank to the creators. And if you think that your comment is a spoiler, then you can also mark it as a spoiler so that people will get to know and they would not read it. But if it's not a spoiler, then you can not check this box, and you could also send this comment as a comment. So here I have unchecked it and simply clicked on this arrow, and now here you can see the comment has been pasted. So whenever anybody watches this show, and if they make their mind to read comments, they will also read your comments, so they will get to know about it. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can comment on a show on Crunchyroll. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.